I got the Sketchbox. This is my second Sketchbox. It came in the mail today. Very excited to see what came in my second box. I will put a link below to Sketchbox. You'll get a discount, I believe, on your first order. It always comes with its nice blue Sketchbox paper. Go ahead and pull that out and let everything fall inside. Alright. There's, of course, an information card, which, this is their metallic watercolor box. Ooh. And then there's just a quick overview about the products. Let's dive in and see what we've got. First up, we have the artist card. Create. I like that. That's cute. And then it gives a little bit of information. This box's artist is Lois Sparks, excuse me. And that gives him information and then her social media links right there. Alright, so we have some Van Gogh black watercolor paper. Very fun. I've never actually played with watercolor paper before, so I'm curious to see how this will go. That'll be a fun item to try out. We'll just set it right there for now. Let's grab the brush. This is a sketch brush. Excuse me. Sketch brush. Signature round brush, size 4. Perfect for watercolor. Oh, by the way, excuse me. This watercolor paper, $11.95 is the retail value of this. For this round brush, the retail is $9.99. Alright, we're gonna keep on keeping on here. Next up is we have this Marabou Aqua graphic metallic ink in copper. This is a new product. This ultra brilliant pigmented watercolor ink offers a fun shimmer to any piece. The retail price on this is $3.29. Aqua ink. Very pretty. Huh, that'll be fun to play with. I'm excited about that. Alrighty. Then they also sent a cute little sticker, which they usually do. Just a little fun addition. That Aqua ink, like I said, was $3.29. Whoops. Set that aside so it don't fall. Okay, then we also have 3 Marabou X Sketchbox Shimmer Art Crayon. And these are in raspberry, emerald, and copper. Right here. Yeah, and these actually have the Sketchbox Art Crayon signature. Watercolor crayons. So yeah, these are water soluble. So these will be really fun. After I get done showing you what's in the box, we'll test out everything on the paper and see how everything plays. Alrighty, we still got a couple more items. Another one right here is a Sakura gold jelly roll pen. Oh, by the way, these pencils or these art crayons are $3.99 each. I'm sorry, I didn't say that before. This is $1.56 for this signature gold jelly roll pen. Very cool. And then the last item, but certainly not least, is these Fine Tech metallic watercolor pans in rose gold and blue silver. These are going to be really interesting. Look how, like, looks like fabric. I want to touch it so much. Alright, we'll get in and test these items out and see what they're all about. If you've gotten this Sketchbox, if you ordered this specific one, let me know in the comment section if you were happy with the items, if you had a favorite item. And if not, if you're not someone who gets Sketchbox, do you think that there are items in this one that interest you. These really interest me. Like, that just looks so delicious. I'm not gonna eat it, don't you worry, but I am gonna touch it and I'm gonna play with it. The watercolor pen, or crayons, they actually kind of interest me as well. I've had a product before similar to that, so I think I know what to expect with these. I am very excited about this Aqua ink. Like, a little concerned I'm going to make a lot of mess with it, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun to play with. And then I do love the artist card. I think it's very pretty. It does give an example of items in this box in use. So you can see there's a lot of, you know, shine and shimmer. And then, of course, the product card. I will return in a moment and show you what all this stuff looks like in use. Be right back. Okay, we are back and we're here to test out the products that we got in the Sketchbox. Here's the list. As you saw the unboxing previously, I have a little thing of water here. I'm going to use the brushes they provided. I think I'm going to go into these first because I'm so excited. I don't want to wait. So let me get the packaging open. My spouse will come over here and help open the packaging after they're done. Nope, I got it. It's okay, spouse. We're good.
I knew you had it.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't
okay, so I thought maybe that was a way to like have a top to it or anything, but no, it's not. It's just their packaging for that. All right, so we're gonna wet the brush. We're gonna go in, get that color. Oh, it's a juicy one. I don't know how much you're seeing. I'm going right into that black paper. Oh yeah, you can see that. Going back into the water, getting a bit more juicy in here. Oh yeah. That is very, very pretty. I like that a lot. Yep. Yep. Now these are $8.75 a piece. Yeah, I understand that. Because this is going to last me a really long time.
barely had to use any.
Yeah, like it's just gonna be like my ink tints blocks. There, it's just gonna a little bit is gonna go a long way, and that wasn't even watered down. So if we wanted to do something a little bit more opaque, or a little more translucent, and add some water, then I still get the effect.
Yeah, that's cool. Wow.
So that's a good one. That's a good one right there. All right, let's go ahead and try the beautiful bronze one. Excuse me, golden rose. This was the blue silver. This is the golden rose. Let me move the packaging out of the way. Make sure my brush is good. All right. And going in to the golden rose. Oh, I really like how these feel when the water hits them. Oh yeah. Let's get some more water, get real juicy up in here. But yeah, this one is really pretty too. Good color.
Vibrant.
Really colorful, really pretty. Now let's water the brush down and then do a little wash. Oh yeah, that's really nice with the gold in the back. I don't know. You're seeing it right there. Sorry, the lighting is, there you go, now you're seeing it. Alright, now let's move on to the pen here. This is the gold jelly pen. Oh wow, look at there. Immediately started flowing, like I did not have to wait. has a very nice fine point. Yeah. Oh yeah. That is going to be one I will use and will repurchase because it is $1.56. That's not bad. That's reasonable, especially for that experience. Well worth it. Now I just gotta undo these. Sorry if my wife wouldn't mind coming over and helping unwrap these pins to go faster. Alright, we've got one unwrapped. Here, would you unwrap these two, please? Thank you. And let me get the other. Okay, so it looks like these are going to be double-sided. So here we have the thick crayon side. Nope, they're not double-sided. This is just how you extend the crayon up. Alright, so here is the pink one, the raspberry. Too bad it doesn't smell like raspberries. That would be really lovely. Right there. And then the copper one will go right next to it. And I love these crayon products. Art crayons. They're lovely. So lovely. I love the feel of them. They're just very smooth and just have a delightful texture. And they usually really pop with the color. So then we're going in with the green. Now I'll take my paintbrush and I'll bring it a little closer to you and we'll pop water on it and show you what you get. Go into the next color. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And then go into the emerald. Again, very pretty. Yeah, all these things could just add so much beautiful detail and just a little bit of extra something to any piece of artwork, I think. Now, the piece de resistance. The Aqua ink. And this is in copper is the color they sent. So, dry off my brush a little bit. We're gonna give this its own page because come on, this stuff looks amazing. Alright. Oh yeah, this is the good stuff right here. Let me pull it up here. Oh, this is good stuff right here. Absolutely good stuff. I can definitely see a lot of enjoyment happening from this. And this product is $3.29. Not unreasonable. Not unreasonable at all. So yeah, I would say this is a wonderful box. Highly recommend. I'm going to continue to get the subscription because it's just been one delight after the next. So, and this month I am loving all of the shimmer and shine that they sent out this month. Like really phenomenal. So if you enjoyed this, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. Let me know what you thought of the products. If you are familiar with any of these products, let me know what you thought of them. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.